Imagine a home that anticipates your needs, learns your pattern, and welcomes you with just your voice. Now, imagine that home under construction right here in Accra. This is Villanova. My name is Sarah Arthur, and you're welcome to our July construction update for Villanova, Ghana's first AI-powered villas. Last time we were here, these were mostly groundworks, but as promised by our site engineer, backfilling is done, concrete works are in motion, and you see that giant vertical thing over there? Yes, those are the columns holding up the dream. Speaking about promises being kept, I have the man, Mr. Bright Mensah, today. Let's find out what is happening. Hi, Mr. Mensah.
Hi, Madam Sarah.
How are you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you too?
I'm doing very well.
Okay.
So tell us, what is currently happening on site?
Okay, as you can see, we have wheel loader on site doing the backfilling for the Ghana waterway direction. And on my right, we are doing foam work to column. We are 100% done. So we are looking forward to cast tomorrow, God willing.
Wow.
And over here too, we have foam work for the column base. So we have two. We'll be casting tomorrow.
Villas, wow.
Yes, 2 villas.
You are moving very fast.
Very, very. We are trying our possible best to make sure
everything is
meet
going
timelines.
on. Great. Yeah. So next month when we come, what should we expect?
Okay, so next month probably when you come, we'll see about 4 villas for column casted.
Really? That's great. We can't wait to see.
Yes, we are looking forward to next year.
Okay, all right. So thank you so much for your time, and we'll see you again.
Sure. Thank you very much. You are welcome.
They say Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is Villanova. But at this rate, we are moving close enough to book the movers. If you are loving this journey as much as we are, like, share, and subscribe. Villanova's story is just getting started.